Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do division of big numbers. We will start by understanding the fundamental components of division: the dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Then, we will learn to break down those intimidating large numbers into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach makes the entire process much less daunting and easier to follow, step by step. Next, we will dive into the long division method, which is perfect for larger numbers. First, set up your problem with the dividend inside the division symbol and the divisor outside. Then, divide the first few digits of the dividend by the divisor to find your initial quotient digit. Multiply that digit by the divisor, subtract, and bring down the next number to continue the cycle. Sometimes, your division will not result in a whole number, leaving you with a remainder. To get a more precise answer, you can extend your division into decimals. Simply add a decimal point and a 0 to your dividend, then continue the long division process as before. You can keep adding zeros until you reach your desired level of precision, perhaps 2 or 3 decimal places. To truly master big number division, consistent practice is key. Sharpen your multiplication tables. This will significantly speed up your division calculations. Always double-check your subtraction steps to catch any small errors early on. Finally, use estimation to quickly gauge if your final answer is in the correct ballpark. With these tips, you will become a division pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.